Greetings Earthlings and welcome back to my channel. Got a little bit of good news today, so we're going to make this a short and sweet video. But I was notified last week that my parts, the main part that we've been waiting on for the RV to come in, has finally arrived. So had an opportunity yesterday to go down and take a look at the RV, see what's going on. So I got a little video for you there. I'm going to show you that. It's short and sweet. I think it's about 5 minutes, but we'll get that rolling. Before we do that, I'd like to ask you, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the videos and hit that like button. It surely helps. And if you're hitting the like button on Facebook when I send those videos out, I appreciate that, but it would help a whole lot more if you go to YouTube and hit the like button there and hit that subscribe button. So do that for me if you would. And in the meantime, let's roll that intro and then we'll go straight into the video of the RV and see where the progress is at this point.
These are the voyages of the motorhome Tex. Its continuing retirement mission, to seek out new and exciting adventures, to explore interesting areas and events, to boldly go to places we've never been before, maybe even California.
Here's a picture of the box that my cap came in. Imagine the size of the mailbox that must have fit in.
I'll tell you what.
All right, it's sort of like an unveiling because I haven't seen this thing since look, there's a part on the ground of the old cap. There's some more parts of the old cap. So you're going to see it the same time I see it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yep.
That's yours?
Yes.
Why different color?
Because it's got to be painted yet. It's oh, it looks like that's got a primer coat on it, doesn't it, Eric?
Yes, it is.
Cool.
Yeah, it's exactly how it was shipped to us. The tape is the pinholes that we'll have to repair before doing the paint work. Otherwise, you'll just see little pock marks all over the place.
Gotcha.
So this is the mock-up at the moment. We're lining up the roof to the cap and making all the essential cuts in order to tie those two back together. The wings on the left and right hand side at the very top are untrimmed, so we had to make a preliminary cut, install it, template everything, pull it back off, trim it, paint it, and then reinstall it.
Okay. So it's going to be a little an adventure yet to come. Oh, it looks like the dashboard is done too.
Yes, dashboard is done.
Awesome.
Yep, we got that installed this morning actually.
All right, let's do this. Yeah, you're right. I do like the progress because this is pretty doggone amazing. Hey. Oh. Awesome.
Hey, you're moving it so bad.
Huh?
You destroy so bad.
I didn't destroy. I thought I did rather damn well not to destroy. Cool. And it won't be as long as it has been, that's for sure. What in the world? Eric, what does this thing do?
Oh, that's one of your mirror brackets.
Oh, okay. Well, it don't do nothing then.
That one doesn't do anything anymore.
All right, I'm gonna grab. I got a pack of cigarettes in here that I bought for her the other day. I'm just gonna grab those up there
Where did you put?
Right up there. Yep. Okay. If y'all want to know the limits of RV Warehouse, this utility trailer is currently being converted into an RV. I would go absolutely nuts in that much space, but to each his own.
Is this RV also?
It's gonna be. Here's the star of the show. She
That's
just
cute.
got in the camera frame.
Oh, shut up.
So many neat things going on here. And I mean, every time I come down here, there's about $12 million on the lot. Oh man, that's a nice ride right there.
Yep, it's one of the
Same
boss's
size
friends.
like what you have.
Mm-hmm. I like mine, but
That's nice too.
what in the what went right there, Eric? What went right there? Is that just trim that goes on there?
Yes, it's just a 2-inch wide vinyl trim with double-sided sticky tape. But when it's installed, it's painted. So it's this other side is still intact.
Looks nice though.
I know.
Will look just like that once we go back on with it.
Oh, okay. All right, mine's probably got the same kind of stuff on it. I
I
remember
believe so.
oh shoot, this got an emergency exit. Look at that.
That's the. There's actually a bathroom right there, and it's. There's a name for it. It's a really silly name. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Yes, little bathroom right there.
Huh. I know that you know, some of them have like they have an entry into the bathroom in case you're at the beach or something like that. They don't want the sand all drug through the
I
whole
think
of it.
that's what this is for too.
Oh, does it have
Can
a
I see the inside?
No,
It's white.
this belongs to somebody else. But it's
They're not
but
here.
it's yeah, it don't matter.
Yours and this one are they're the same classification as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, they're both luxury RVs, so
Yes. So, yeah.
cool. Well, man, I appreciate you taking the time to show us that thing. Did I turn this thing off? I don't know.